Welcome everyone. In this video we are going to see Uniswap protocol. This protocol is used to swap tokens from one type of tokens to another type of tokens. Let's see how this works. So this is the UI for the Uniswap. So first we will see how the UI works and later we will write this in the Solidity. So right now I'm connected to the Polygon network and I have 2 Matic and I want to swap 0.2 Matic and receive Uni tokens. So I'm going to receive 0.02 Uni tokens. So this is the conversion rate and this is a fee and network cost in the Polygon Matic. So this is the gas fee. And when I try to swap, I have to confirm the swap to receive this Uniswap tokens. And I have confirmed. And my transaction is submitted. So swap is success. I have received Uniswap tokens. I can see it in my MetaMask. So I have 0.0251 of Uni tokens. So let's do this, the same thing from Solidity. So here we are going to do the swap using the Solidity. So I have iSwap router, so which is an interface for swapping, and I have ERC20 interface. So it has basic ERC20 transfer, allowance and approve functions, and also W8 interface. So first we are going to initialize the router. So here we have to pass the router address. So router address we can get it from here. So we have to take the address of swap router. And here we can write a function. So on router we have a function called exact input single params. So this is the function we have to call to swap the tokens. So this takes input param of we can take it from here. So this we are going to take from the function. The recipient of tokens is always the person who calls this function. So we're putting it in as a message.sender and deadline is block.timestamp. Let's say we are swapping from Matic to Uniswap. So how many tokens of Polygon Matic are we putting here for swap? It's a minimum amount out. I'm putting it 0. So we are not setting any minimum amount. So this is also 0. Let's store this in a variable. So here we have to call router dot single and you have to pass the params that we have created here. This is gonna return the amount that is swapped. And here before swapping, we also have to give the router the access to take funds from the smart contract. In this line, the Matic token is transferred from our wallet to the smart contract, and at the exact same amount is given allowance to the router contract. So let's compile and deploy the smart contract. So our smart contract is deployed. First we need to give access to the smart contract to take funds from our wallet. So let's open. This is a Matic token. So here we have to give access to our smart contract to take Matic from our wallet. So we have 1.5 Matic. We are giving 0.5 Matic to be swapped. So the transaction is complete. Now we can swap. So this is Matic address. This is Uniswap's token address and pool fee of 3000, which is 3%. The tokens are swapped now. So we have sent this amount of Matic and we have received this amount of Uniswap token. So this is how you can swap tokens using Solidity. Thank you everyone.